Industry's helping hands present bicycle pedal rest on SolidWorks. Make sure the dimensions are in mmgs. Select the top plane, then select Sketch. Select Center Rectangle from the Command Manager and draw a rectangle. Give the dimension of the rectangle as 92 mm from the side and 73 mm on the bottom side. Fillet the edges as 15 mm radius. Click on the right button. Select Offset from the Command Manager. Check on reverse direction. Give the perimeter as 7.5. Click on the right button. Again select the center rectangle from the Command Manager and draw a rectangle. Give the dimension of the rectangle as 7.5 mm. Select the Trim Entities from the Command Manager and trim the unwanted sketches. Click on the right button. Then go to Feature tab and select Extruded Bows. Give the dimension as 25 mm and select Midplane. Click on the right button. Select the surface and click on Sketch. Make normal to the plane from the Heads Up toolbar. Then select Center Radius Circle from the Command Manager and draw a circle. Give the diameter of the circle as 17.5 mm. Go to Feature tab, then Extruded Bows. Flip the direction and select Up to Surface. Then check on Direction 2. Give the dimension as 10 mm. Click on the right button. Select the surface and click on Sketch. Then again select Center Radius Circle from the Command Manager and draw a circle. Give the dimension of the circle as 10 mm. Then go to Feature tab and select Extruded Cut. Then select Up to the surface. Click on the right button. Select the surface, click on Sketch. Make normal to the plane from the Heads Up toolbar. Then select Corner Rectangle from the Command Manager and draw a rectangle. Again select Corner Rectangle and draw a rectangle on another side. Go to Feature tab, Extruded Bows. Give the dimension as 3 mm and click on the right button. Then click on the View Orientation and select Top Plane. Then click on the surface, then Sketch. Then select corner rectangle from the command manager and draw the rectangles. Go to Feature tab and select Extruded Cut. Give the dimension as 1.5 mm. Then click on the right button. Select the top plane. Then go to Feature. Select the mirror. Then select the Cut Extruded to. Then click on the right button. Then go to View Orientation from the Heads Up toolbar. Then select Left Side View. Then select the surface. Then select Sketch. Select Straight Slot from the Command Manager and draw the slot. Select Center of Origin and Center of Slot and give the dimension as 9 mm. Give the radius of arc as 6.5 mm. Give the length of the slot as 55 mm. Then go to Feature tab, then select Extruded Cut. Give the dimension as 2 mm. Click on the right button. Select the right plane, then go to Features. Then select the Cut Extrude 3. Click on the right button. Select the surface, click on Sketch. Make normal to the plane from the Heads Up toolbar. Select Center Line. And draw a vertical center line. Select the line and give the command vertical. Again select the line command from the command manager and draw a triangle. Press and hold the control button and select the two corners of the triangle and center line and give the command make symmetric. Give the length of the triangle as 5 mm. Give the distance of the triangle from the edge is 3 mm. Give the height of the triangle as 1.5 mm. Go to Feature, then Extruded Cut. Select Through All. Click on the right button. Then select the Linear Pattern from the Feature tab in drop-down menu. Give the distance as 6 mm and number of pattern as 13. Select the edge 1 on direction 1. Then select the Cut Extrude 4 for the feature which you have to make a pattern. Then click on the right button. Then select the top plane, click on the mirror. Then select the linear pattern, click on the right button. Select the edge and give the fillet command. Make symmetric, give the radius as 5 mm. Then select the edges which you want to fillet. Click on the right button. Then again select the edge, click on the fillet. Give the fillet radius as 2 mm. Then select the other edges which you want to fillet. All the items which you have selected is shown in the left side in the box. Click on the right button. Then again go to fillet 2. Click on edit. Then select the other edge which you have forget to fillet. Then select the surface, click on the color button in the heads up toolbar. Give the color and click on the right button. Press and hold the control button and select the surfaces. Click on the color button. Give the color and click on right button. Select the Appearance tab in the right side. Click on Plastic, Texture Plastic. Select PWMT 11,000. Appearance is applied. This is how our projects look like. Thanks for watching.